In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Upwork Desktop App. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get the app installed smoothly on your computer. Start by heading to the official Upwork site for the desktop app. The easiest way is to open your browser and search for the Upwork Desktop App. Then make sure the link you choose is from the official Upwork domain. This helps you avoid unofficial downloads and ensures you're getting the latest, most secure version. Once you're on the correct page, sign in with your Upwork account. If you don't have one yet, take a moment to create a new account. Having an account ready before you install is helpful because the desktop app connects to your Upwork profile for time tracking and messaging. When creating your account, use a strong, unique password and keep your login details secure. After signing in, look for the Downloads section. It's typically highlighted on the app page or clearly labeled so you can find it quickly. The goal here is to get to the official download links provided directly by Upwork. Next, choose the version that matches your operating system. You'll see options for Windows or Mac. Pick the one that fits your computer. If you're unsure, you can check your system info in your computer's settings, but most users will know whether they're on Windows or Mac OS. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the file downloads without interruption. When the download finishes, open the installer file. It will likely be in your Downloads folder, or you can click it from your browser's Downloads list. On Windows, you may see a security prompt asking for permission to make changes. Go ahead and confirm so the installer can run. On Mac, you may get a message that the app was downloaded from the internet. That's normal for trusted apps, so proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions and click Install. The installer will guide you through a few simple prompts, like accepting the license agreement and choosing an install location. If you're not sure about any of these settings, the default options are usually best. Now, wait for the installation to complete. This may take a minute or two depending on your system. Avoid closing the installer while it's working. Once it finishes, you'll see a confirmation screen indicating the installation is complete. That's it. You've successfully installed the Upwork Desktop app. You're all set to move on with your Upwork workday using the official desktop experience.